Good afternoon and welcome to MarineMax Island Marine in Ocean View, New Jersey. This afternoon, we're going to take a look at our trade 2018 17-foot Dauntless. Boat has 115 Mercury 4-stroke, roughly 40 hours on it. Boat is on a galvanized trailer with a swing tongue. Does have the light blue hull sides, boarding ladder, little swim platform. Boat does have the live well underneath the seat, which is part of the fishing package. This boat does have no bow rail. It has a trolling motor plugged forward. Let's jump up inside and take a better look at this boat. As we come inside our 17-foot Dauntless, you can see this boat does have the two seats aft, which flip up and then fold down and make a fishing platform. A couple of cup holders, some rod storage. Does have the flip seat. This boat does have a Garmin GPS, Fusion stereo, leather wrap wheel, has USB and 12-volt ports put in it. Boat does have a bimini top. It's in black. There is a cushion for the front. It is in storage. There's a core seat with a cushion with rod holders. Once again, the trolling plug motor with the low profile handrail in the front, the regular handrail in the back, fishing tackle storage on the side, horn. Better look at our helm seat. Thank you for taking a look.